Hidden among ordinary gardens are plants that generations before us quietly relied on for traditional herbal use. These forgotten medicinal plants aren't magic cures, but they carry stories, history, and natural beauty worth rediscovering. Today, let's explore 10 timeless herbs that bring both meaning and life back into the garden. Number 1. Calendula. Calendula may look like a simple golden flower, but for centuries it has quietly held a place in traditional herbal gardens. Its bright orange and yellow blooms open with the sun, almost glowing in the light, while the plant continues to flower generously throughout the season. Beneath its cheerful appearance lies a long history of being valued far beyond its beauty. Traditionally, calendula flowers have been infused into oils and salves for soothing skin, especially in herbal preparations passed down through generations. While it's not a miracle cure, its gentle properties have made it a staple in natural skincare traditions for centuries. Many herbalists still grow it specifically for drying and preserving its petals for later use. In the garden, calendula thrives in sunny beds and reseeds easily, making it one of the simplest medicinal plants to maintain. It fits beautifully into edible borders, herb patches, or cottage-style beds, where it can bloom freely. Over time, it becomes both a vibrant ornamental and a reliable addition to a home apothecary garden. Number 2. Lemon balm. Lemon balm carries a soft citrus scent that releases instantly when the leaves are brushed by hand. Its bright green foliage forms gentle mounds, and in warm weather, small white flowers attract bees in quiet abundance. At first glance, it seems like just another leafy herb, but its history tells a deeper story. For generations, lemon balm has been used in calming teas and traditional remedies associated with relaxation and digestive comfort. While modern science continues to study its effects, it has long been valued in folk herbalism for promoting a sense of ease. Its gentle reputation makes it one of the more approachable herbs for beginner gardeners interested in medicinal plants. In the garden, lemon balm grows vigorously in sun to partial shade and can spread if left unchecked. It works well in contained herb beds or along the edge of kitchen gardens where harvesting is frequent. With regular trimming, it becomes a lush, fragrant presence that blends beauty with tradition. Number 3. Yarrow. Yarrow is a tough, feathery perennial with clusters of tiny flowers that form flat-topped blooms in white, yellow, or soft pastels. Its fine foliage gives it a delicate look, yet the plant itself is remarkably resilient. Growing in open fields and meadows, it has long been part of wild herbal landscapes. Historically, yarrow was used in traditional preparations for wounds and seasonal discomfort, earning it a strong place in herbal lore. While it should be used thoughtfully and with proper guidance, its reputation as a hardy medicinal plant has endured for centuries. Many herbal gardeners continue to cultivate it for both its beauty and its long-standing association with natural remedies. In the garden, yarrow thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, making it ideal for dry borders or low-maintenance beds. It pairs well with other hardy perennials and attracts pollinators throughout the season. Over time, it becomes a resilient and quietly powerful presence in a medicinal herb garden. Number 4. Comfrey. Comfrey is a bold, leafy perennial with large, textured leaves and clusters of nodding purple or cream-colored flowers. It grows fast and full, almost oversized compared to other herbs, giving it a powerful presence in the garden. At first glance, it feels more like a wild plant than a delicate medicinal herb. For centuries, comfrey has been used externally in traditional herbal practices, particularly in poultices and salves associated with skin and joint support. However, it's important to note that modern herbalists advise caution, especially with internal use. Its long-standing reputation has made it a respected yet carefully handled plant in home apothecary traditions. In the garden, comfrey thrives in sunny to partially shaded spots and develops deep roots that help it return year after year. It works well in the back of herb beds or as a nutrient-rich companion plant near fruit trees. Once established, it becomes a hardy and long-lived addition to a medicinal garden. Number 5. Plantain. Plantain is often dismissed as a common lawn weed, but its wide green leaves hide a long history of traditional herbal use. Low-growing and resilient, it thrives in disturbed soils and pathways, quietly appearing wherever the ground has been walked on. Its unassuming look makes its story even more intriguing. Historically, plantain leaves were crushed and applied in folk remedies for minor skin irritations and insect bites. Though it grows almost everywhere, it has been valued in many cultures as a practical, everyday healing plant. While not dramatic in appearance, its usefulness has given it a steady place in herbal lore. In the garden, plantain can be grown intentionally in contained beds or wild herb corners rather than letting it spread unchecked in lawns. It thrives in full sun to partial shade and tolerates poor soil easily. Over time, it becomes a humble but reliable part of a traditional medicinal planting. Number 6. Holy basil. Holy basil, also known as Tulsi, carries a rich aroma and delicate purple or green foliage that sets it apart from culinary basil. In many traditions, it's considered a sacred plant, often grown close to the home. Its small flowers attract pollinators, while its leaves release a spicy, clove-like scent. Traditionally used in Ayurvedic herbal practices, Tulsi has been associated with supporting overall balance and resilience. While research continues to explore its properties, it has long been valued as a daily herbal tea in many cultures. Its reputation makes it one of the more spiritually and culturally significant medicinal herbs. In the garden, holy basil prefers warm, sunny conditions and well-drained soil. It grows beautifully in containers, raised beds, or near entryways where its fragrance can be appreciated. With regular harvesting, it becomes both a meaningful and productive herb in the garden. Number 7. Marshmallow. Marshmallow is a graceful perennial with soft, velvety leaves and pale, blush-pink flowers that give it a gentle, almost old-world charm. Its upright stems sway lightly in the breeze, blending beautifully into cottage-style or herbal gardens. Despite its delicate look, this plant has a surprisingly deep and resilient root system. Traditionally, the root of marshmallow has been used in soothing teas and herbal preparations associated with throat and digestive comfort. Its mucilage-rich texture made it a valued plant in historical apothecary traditions long before modern remedies existed. While it isn't a quick fix, its reputation as a gentle, supportive herb has lasted through centuries. In the garden, marshmallow prefers sunny spots with moist but well-drained soil, often growing best towards the back of herb beds. It pairs nicely with other tall medicinal plants, creating a layered, natural look. Over time, it becomes a soft yet steady presence in a traditional herbal garden. Number 8. Elderberry. Elderberry grows as a graceful shrub with lacy white flower clusters that later transform into deep purple berries. Its airy structure gives gardens a woodland feel, while the seasonal changes, from bloom to fruit, add a sense of quiet transformation. Many gardeners are drawn to it for both its beauty and its long herbal history. For generations, elderberries have been used in syrups and traditional seasonal remedies, often associated with immune support during colder months. While modern use varies, the plant remains deeply rooted in European and North American herbal folklore. Its flowers and berries continue to be valued by herbal enthusiasts who appreciate traditional practices. In the garden, elderberry works best along the edge of a food forest, fence line, or naturalized border where it has room to grow. It prefers full sun to partial shade and benefits from consistent moisture. As it matures, it becomes a productive, wildlife-friendly focal point. Number 9. Feverfew. Feverfew is a charming perennial with small, daisy-like flowers that resemble miniature chamomile blooms. Its bright white petals and golden centers create a light, airy look that softens garden edges. Though modest in size, it carries a surprisingly long medicinal history. Traditionally, feverfew has been associated with herbal preparations linked to headaches and overall wellness in folk medicine. While it should be used thoughtfully, its long-standing presence in traditional herbal gardens speaks to its cultural importance. Many gardeners grow it as much for its history as for its cheerful appearance. In the garden, Feverfew thrives in sunny borders and reseeds gently, often returning year after year. It pairs well with cottage perennials or mixed herb beds, where it can naturalize without becoming overwhelming. Over time, it creates a soft, timeless herbal layer. Number 10. Bee Balm. Bee balm is a vibrant perennial known for its bold, firework-like blooms in shades of red, pink, or purple. The flowers attract bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds, turning the garden into a lively, buzzing space. Its aromatic leaves release a spicy scent, hinting at its long connection to herbal traditions. Historically, bee balm has been used in teas and traditional herbal infusions, especially by indigenous cultures and early settlers in North America. While not a cure-all, it has remained valued for its soothing qualities and strong cultural roots. Its combination of beauty and heritage makes it one of the most beloved medicinal garden plants. In the garden, plant bee balm in sunny beds with good airflow, where it can spread naturally into colorful clumps. It works beautifully in pollinator gardens, edible borders, or herbal landscapes. As it grows, it adds both movement and historical depth to the planting design. A medicinal garden isn't just about healing, it's about slowing down, reconnecting with nature, and growing plants with purpose. When chosen thoughtfully, these traditional herbs can turn any space into a living apothecary filled with history and calm energy. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me which plant felt the most magical to you.